Good afternoon, everyone. And now I'm gonna show you through this video how to install RealStatistic add into your MacBook um, laptops. So to install RealStatistic add into your MacBook, what you need to do, you need to go to RealStatistic website. We call it as a RealStatistic add-ins. If you go here, you can see you will get this RealStatistic using Excel homepage and click this one. And when you click it, you can scroll down until you find out this free download version. Click free download. It will bring you the new page called RealStatistic Resource Pack. In this resource pack, you can see the resource pack for Windows version and also resource pack for Mac version. So if you are a MacBook user, you need to go to RealStatistic Resource Pack for Excel 2011, 16, 19, 24, 360 for Mac. I have 360 for Mac. Whatever version you have in Excel, you can choose which one you need to click and download. I'm going to click here and it will bring you to another page to download the resource pack for MacBook version. So here I have 365. Because of that, I'm going to click here. If you have a 2011, you can download from here. I'm going to click here and it will download RealStatistics resource pack into my MacBook. So after, you can see if you go to your download folder, you can see your RealStatistic add-ins has downloaded. So how to install this into your Excel. So to do that, so one thing you need to do, you need to open your Excel app. So I'm gonna go here and try to find out the Excel. Microsoft Excel should be here. Once you click it, and I can share my screen, whole screen now. And then once you click it, and then you can open blank workbook. Once you open your blank workbook, and you need to add in your real statistic add into here. So you need to do that. You need to go to tools and add-ins, Excel add-ins. And here you can see I already downloaded this one before, and that's why it's come here. If not, you can't see these real statistic here. If you can't see it, you just go to, okay, before that, you need to do one more thing. So before you install it, you need to go to your download folder and copy this real statistic and move this downloaded real statistic into your local file. I'm gonna go and install it, copy and paste into my document folder. The reason why your download folder maybe your laptop maybe do not recognize as a trusted location. We need to put our real statistic identity into a trusted location. After you do that, you can open your Excel and go to tools and click Excel add-ins. And then if you can't, you may not be able to see these two because you previously you haven't installed this one. And then go to browse and go to your document. Where did you save your Excel add-in? And click it, select it, and then click OK. It has to replace because I already installed that. I said yes. You may not get that message because you haven't installed it before. And I click it here and then click OK. So now you can't see add-ins here. You can see there's something of some option called add-ins in your ribbon bar, but you can't see anything. That's normal for MacBook users. So if you want to find out this real statistic add-in, what you need to do, you just go to somewhere in your Excel and then click Control M. Control M. For example, you go here, click and put Control and M. It will bring your RealStatistic add-in Excel activities. You can see there are a lot of Excel functions. You can use regression, ANOVA, time series, multivariate correlation, a lot of other different variety of Excel functions and analytical functions you can use through RealStatistic add-in. Right, I think that's how we install statistic add-in into Excel, as well as how to use that using MacBook. I hope you will enjoy this video and use it as a learning uh, resources for your Excel skills. Thank you very much, everyone. I will see you soon with a different short video. Thank you.